Welcome to a new episode Arabia Unboxing. أهلا فيكم أهلا سلام.
بونجور بونسوار.
Bonjour bonjour.
بونجور بونسوار.
اليوم رحنا عملنا شوية shopping. We have not necessarily كلهم new. I don't know if it's new actually, but the point is it's one for the creators.
مزبوط.
لأنه نحنا we needed something for the studio. But we went and bought this and أكيد فالمرة we unbox it لأنه بنعمل حلقة. But we have the Vivitar Creator Series. It's a LED light, 120 LEDs, power usage 60 watt max, cable, includes studio lights, adjusting ball head mount. أنا وقتها أنت you're a specialist. أنا وقتها بتقلي ball head mount فكر بغير شيء. But what we did find cool وقتها شيناها إنه operated there's an app هلا هالأيام في app لكل شيء. Slim casing, angle adjust, metal body, tunable bright, 9 inches, I don't know what. App control, Bluetooth connection. Let's unbox it. It looks cool.
افتحها.
Do you remember how much we paid for this?
She's 35.
30, that's something like this, right? Rip this bitch. Okay. So a pretty simple. Wait. Okay, fine.
Okay, yeah.
All right. So you're the specialist. Does this look like it does? And for me, it looks like sturdy, nice thing.
It's a LED مثل الليد اللي بتشوفون.
That's for 35 bucks. So do we agree? Does it look like?
لا, it's good.
Sturdy?
لا, it's good. It's made good material.
All right. So here we have what is
بعدين
this?
هيدا فيفيتار إذا فيفيتار تبع lenses is an excellent brand. بس ما بعرف إذا the same brand.
All right. This is the mount.
Yes.
Okay. So.
بس بدنا الترايبود حطها من هون. أوبا.
Okay, but let's not do it right now لأنه we don't have the tripod.
بدنا نضويها.
Hey, but we don't need this. تتهدي لحالها, right?
بس خلينا نركبها هيك.
Okay.
So بتشدها من هون.
But obviously you don't need necessarily a tripod لأنه it holds like this.
فيك تعملها هيك. فيك
Which
تحطها
is the way we're gonna.
وفيك تعلقها على الحيط كمان إلى اثنين من ورا.
Right.
Exactly. فيك تعلقها بالحيط. اكسرها.
مش حكسرها بس حشيل هيدي لأنه.
لا اكسرها مشان مثل لو دعاية تيك توك. احنا مكسر الأسعار.
هاي تذكر will it blend? And we have and so we're just gonna scan this. It'll open up the app. We see the Light Deck app.
To monitor volume, tempo, and beat for music-based lighting effects. Ooh, yeah.
All right, so I just started this, and so obviously, see, okay, turning on and off. Top, great, and then there you go.
Play with the colors.
You want me to play with the colors? Okay, first let me play with the. So colored lights. Okay, a bit too bright.
Okay.
So do you know white light with different tones? So you know best.
Yellowish أكتر.
So creators, why would they use this?
Okay, لأنه أمرار بدك تضوي إذا يا blue tone على وجهك يا أما warm.
And you get to pick and choose your light with your brightness.
It's a good one. It's a good one.
With your brightness, and what is this?
ما بعرف إذا كان $25-35 بتذكر إنه it was a good price.
But it is a good price. And app controlled, so really cool.
It's an excellent one.
And then I guess and really strong, 60 watts. So is this good? 120
it's قوي.
Colored.
حط الباك جراوند تبعك بصير في.
Nice. So not necessarily just كرمال.
It's a back.
Not necessarily بس تضوي حالك.
Backlight. Exactly مش لك backlight. هيدا ما فيك تضوي حالك فيه لأنه كتير intensity عالية. بدك توطيه أو بتحط ديفيوزر.
Okay. هلا creators learn from the best.
حط ألوان.
Okay.
بيطلع حلو لأنه بيفلوش. It's nice. هلا بدك تخفف إضاءة.
أكيد نحن عنا إضاءة rather strong بس إنه still so really a nice thing. No heat. So the LED so pretty good. We like it. How do we like the Vivitar?
I highly recommend this for creators.
It looks sturdy, good connectivity.
It's good for its price لأنه في عندك هذا الsun اللي.
It is really so obviously you can control your studio, create light groups. So if you have different ones like it and control your light group, etc. But a really easy like plug and play. A really easy plug and play, and for a great price. quality
I
value, right?
highly recommend that if you're a creator, if you're doing YouTube videos وجي على بالك تضوي الباك جراوند تبعك بطريقه لذيذه تقدر تتحكم فيها، استعمل هيدا الشيء البرودكت من فيفيتار. Check out our meme videos. We're
gonna put a link right here. Weekly we do some of our during the week we exchange memes. We are meme lovers, and then we do a review of our funniest memes of the week.
بس نحن we have to يعني نحن بدنا نعمل channel عم نحكي فيها عربي ولا انجليزي؟ انا وياك بنخبصها مع بعض.
which is good لانه كل الشباب بيحكوا فرنساوي، منيح لو ما عم نحط فرنساوي. غير bonjour.
Je toujours on m'exprime en français.
Thanks guys, and we'll see you in our next. Don't forget to
subscribe.
We'll see you in our next episode of Arabian Unboxing. Thanks guys.
Bye.
Music please.